do this one, do traditional, do court, do church. After 1 week, marriage go scatter. They mad. Yes, oh, princess, I swear. If I had wanted to marry a man who has a wife and children, I for don't born reach 8 children now. If I wanted to follow my friends are married, make I go marry. I for don't marry since. Now marriage now be the ultimate. If I want marry person husband, I for don't marry since. I don't get that strength. I don't get that strength to take fight anybody. Some people go there, somebody come go they do charm, come go they do juju, do voodoo, so they keep the man. I don't do all those things. If I marry, I know somebody God give me, I go marry him. Some people go they renew juju because they don't tie the man. Do you understand, guys? So I want marry then live. There's a life I want to live, man. Not be can't they live life of fear. You don't know how it go be. If your husband open eye, you say charm don't fade. No. When you have your own man, you will know. And as of now, they go born, una be God. Eh? Una, okay, all those when they date husband house, 10 years, they no go born. They no want born. If God do your own for you, say you just marry, you born, thank God. You don't know what other people are facing in their homes. You don't know what challenges they are facing. Just allow people do what they want to do. Allow people live their life the way they want it. You never see this one they say, if you marry, respect go day. Now who want respect you, go respect you. Who want disrespect you, go, he go even beat your husband. Now man be man. Now husband be husband. Let's call a spade a spade. Now husband be husband. You never saw people beat you. You go call your husband, they will beat your husband, Jonah. Because you marry mumu. Because you marry because you won't marry. What's happen? Go and marry. Go and marry. Go and marry. Go and marry. Is it the ultimate? Is it the ultimate? Is it what life is all about? Marriage. Marriage. The grace. If una see marriage, una go run. If una see marriage, una go base. You feel say a woman and I tell leave marriage for after 20 years. Now I. Oh, we respect you, we respect you. Even as a single girl, people will respect you. As a married woman, so-called Mrs. If you misbehave and your husband no reach, they go mess you now up. People will mess you up. Some people just want to marry because other people are married. Some are in a toxic marriage because they fear to come out. Because if they come out, people will kill them now. Don't marry because other people are married. Marry when you are ready. Marry when you are emotionally ready. Don't marry to impress anybody. Don't marry to impress people. Don't marry so that people will say, you don't marry. Oh, Corey Gaza. Listen. Where may I not talk, Sha? May I just keep my mouth? When I not say this, my mouth no good. So may I just keep on? God. Go and marry. Go and marry. Go and marry. You people should be careful. Oh. People should be careful. Una when they marry to impress people. And they look una, they laugh. If una don't impress people finish, una go to cry for his house. So. Because those people when they try to impress, no go there. And if una don't divorce, they go laugh una. Say, hey, okay, you what done there? She don't fit marry you. She no fit stay in my house. So now those people now you won't go impress. People will be say they can blast you anytime. Ew, I dey look and they laugh. You know, say they say the end shall tell. All these things where everybody they do so, both in the industrial, outside the industrial, the end shall tell. Now the end we go say no who be who. Now the end we go say no who do where. Do you understand? Right now, you wouldn't know. Yeah, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know. Seriously. Oh, I'm coming, guys. There's someone please guys, just give me a few minutes. This matter will go talk on. Now know why, because it's a pity. I don't know. I don't really know how people rate people's age. I don't know. No, babe, don't worry. I go block them after this live video. Because if I read comments, they distract me. I know they feel talk with you. I won't talk. There is one lady I need to unblock. I don't know how to see her now. Okay. Now your mouth kill you, Sha, but later I will unblock her because there's something I need to tell her. Some people are so stupid though. Have you asked yourself, like, okay, I'm not blind. I know I fine. I be career woman. I get everything. I go school. Why man no marry me? Why? Why? Man must marry me. But I'm fucking taking my time. I'm taking my time, my darlings. Because a broken relationship is better than a broken marriage. Some people are passing through stress. They are passing through pains. They are smiling and crying. All in the name of, I want to be Mrs. Some of them, their husband doesn't even take care of them. They stress themselves to take care of themselves and their children. Yet they are married. I don't want to be in that category. May I not marry and be paying my husband's bill. Picking will come, definitely. You know what I don't feel born? You don't know what I don't feel get picking. You don't know now. You don't know now. If you don't born, you don't know. How you tell no? You don't know now. If I have children, I won't post my children or my husband on social media. I won't do it. I'm not looking for a husband. I have a man. Of course I do. I'm not looking for a husband at this stage. Are you okay? Me will be hot cake. Una no go no. No, that woman I'll go unblock her, Sha. I don't know how will I unblock her. He pay me say I block that woman. But I won't block her. I won't block her. I won't block her, Sha. So guys, relax. Chill. Marriage not be the ultimate. Marriage not be achievement. Marriage not be the key to life. The key to your life is happiness. It's not marriage. You can be married and not be happy. You can be married and not have peace. You can be married and be passing through stress. You can be married and you will see your husband and be running. A lot of things are happening. A lot of things are happening in marriages. I don't want to marry and tomorrow I'm divorced. Hey, mamito. Hey, mamito. What's up, nigga? I don't want to marry and be asking myself why I marry. I want to marry and be happy. I want to marry and have peace. So please, you people should relax. Some relationships are better than marriage. Let me tell you a story. I don't just form stories. See, I move with elderly people. I move with people that has brain. A man told me that if he just see woman now, even if now after 1 week they meeting go marry him, he say he no can believe on a long time relationship. Now I say, Papa, what's happen? He say he dates one lady. Yeah, any nonsense right up here, I will block you for. The one I can block, I will block. He say he dates this woman for 7 years. He say he dates woman for 7 years. Please share this video for me, because share this video because some goats need to see this video. Some goats need to see this video because some people don't get sense. So no, they talk. Which shall be woman not get husband? You know they get respect. Which nonsense respect? You never see how many married women that they beat any year. If your husband could have see beat her. Which nonsense respect? You never see married women when they go to sleep with other men? You don't feel respect and self finish. Can you stop talking like people when they don't even pass primary school? What are you saying? Married women go outside and be sleeping with other men. You call that one married woman? Now what for now? Being responsible is not because somebody is married. A single girl can be dating just one man until the man no go cheat on her. What are you saying? Shouldn't be married woman. I respect it. Don't say it again. Do you know how many people they die for marriage? You know how many people don't lose their life all in the name of marriage? You people are not seeing that one. Who go respect? Yes, my daughter. Who go respect you, married or not married? Who no one respect you? Go say, yeah, we are children for whatever, but for where. Hello. Okay, why I no get married? I no fine. I know they okay. Even if I marry man when no get work, I will feel live well. Because me, I get work, I they okay. But is that what I want? That's not what I want. I want to leave a good legacy. I want to live a life that my children will be so proud of me. Una go to it go choke una. People will be shocked the way I will live my life in this life. How see they do my normal life video? Now they see everything now. You said no, no, see my husband. Una no see my children. No, una fit see my children, sha. But my husband, I no go see him. I no go marry person husband. No. If I want marry person husband, I don't get children. You know what I'm saying? Just person husband or a multi-millionaire. I don't want it. I'm an entertainer. Because our name. Yeah. Ewo, baby mo, come and show your face to my fans. Come here, my friend. Come here. Thank you. Don't mind all these people when they somebody just
all these Benin people not too like noise.
I just
Benin people not too like noise.
Shut up. Don't insult Benin people, you dey crazy.
Una too.
Una dey see her. Now see that they talk with that, so say Benin people too like noise.
Now they like noise. How about Ogini Mezi?
Ogini Mezi. But
food is ready.
Okay, darling, I'll come and eat now.
I do want to drink tea or want to eat rice?
Maybe I should drink tea because I have some snack. Later, then I'll eat rice.
Okay. Just, okay. Then you just come on. You want toast bread?
Ew! Baby mo! Toast it for me, my darling. That bread of yesterday. Oh.
Come down.
Baby, I'm coming down.
Ready, come down.
I am coming. My good friend. That's my baby girl. Una see am? Una see am? They say Bini Potu they talk. Bini Potu they talk. That is what we see every day. Bini Potu they talk. Bini Potu they talk. Bini Potu they talk. Dave. Sometimes they pay me say I be Bini. I swear. Candy Wallace, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm seeing your comment and your blasting people. Yes, so my sister. Me, if you say man, no, they ask me out now. If you say I don't get man, or for they say, I be there's a problem. I have a responsible man. Very well to do. Very well to do. Oh, Guinea. I love you, my dear Candy. Pamela UK, I cite you, baby. Thank you, guys. People should learn to be calming down. We are doing well. I'm okay. Stop crying for me. You are not my mother. You are not my brother. You are not my sister. You are not my family member. Stop crying more than the bereaved. I'm telling you, people are passing through stress in their marriages. What is wrong with you guys? So, my dear people, stop Stop stressing yourself because people are married, you are not married. No. Who marriage help now? Take children away from marriage. Marriage is not now love matter. Now love matter for this life. You know good. Now just see somebody that is doing well. See, I go chop this life. Even if I back baby for back, I go still rock my life. I'm not the kind of a girl that will marry and in your marriage you're boring. I will tell my husband, babe, let's go on a trip. Let's go. I was choking in Benin. Benin was choking me. I had to leave. I had to leave. People should stop already. It's not good. Let me show you my friend's house round again for those of you that are just coming. So you people should calm down. Allow people live their life the way they want to live it. Stop telling people what to do. You live your own life. Live your own life. For real. Stop telling people what to do and what not to do with their lives. It's not your business. Yeah, but let me go and eat, Joe. Before now you stop, say finish me this morning. Well, if you feel marriage is the key to your life, you can go and marry your husband. People that are not married, leave them alone. They will do their own marriage. It's not your business. It's not your business. No, now. Women should be successful.